So as you can see, first and second, we still have a lot of play. Second, we still have a lot of that play left. So we are going to put in the shift stop, and we'll get rid of a lot of this play. But you can see I can push it over maybe a good ½ inch in both first and second. So not happy with that, and we'll get rid of it.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
What? Oh. Oh, do you want to go press the button?
What's up, guys? So today, got an unboxing. Well, looks like we got a shift stop from Kartboy. What else we got? Okay. Fireball. Atomic fireball. So big up to Tom over at Kartboy. He was a super cool guy. So here's the Kartboy shift stop. This is to help reduce the slop in first and second gear. It's made of a nylon injected glass, something or other. But yeah, so it's got that, and then we've got the 2 Allen bolts with it. And I did have a fireball from Tom, but it seems to be missing. Yeah, so we'll get these installed. Alright, we'll start off the shift stop install by removing the shift knob. And since this is so JDM, I like to make sure I don't drop it. Alright, got it all. Yeah. Not the reverse?
No, so it'll come up over everything.
The boot.
The boot does.
Alright. So the boot will come up over your reverse lockout, straight up. Replacement bolts. These replace the 10mm bolts that came out. Put those in place on top of the new shift stop. And these bolts are 5mm. I gotta get it started. And we'll just snug these down by hand. Alright, so now we've got to get the shifter here into 5th gear. The easiest way I've found to do this is go directly down into 4th and then up into 5th. So once we're in 5th, we'll go ahead and push this OEM shift stop all the way against the shifter so it makes contact, and then we'll push it over a little bit to the right like that, back down to neutral. Now we got to go over to 1st gear, and then we'll push our Kartboy shift stop over into our shifter. And then we'll push this over a little bit to the left, just like that, and give us some clearance. And then we'll tighten down the bolts. Once you're happy with your shift stops, and you can get into all the gears including reverse, just put back on your shift boot. And push it down. Clips right in, and you can throw back on your shift knob.
The more violently you do it, the faster.
Exactly. You gotta kind of manhandle your knobs. Don't be afraid to get right in there and work that. That's good. Got it nice and straight. A little crooked. And There she goes. Here's a comparison of the short throw shift from Kartboy. This has now added the shift stop for first and second gears to help us get less of the play out. So as you can see, we're in first right now. No play. Go down to second. We got a lot less play, and if you're very meticulous, I'm sure you can get no play at all, just like first. But I don't have much patience, so I get in, I'm happy with that. So rest of the gears, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then over to reverse. Back into neutral.